Damn! That's the level of extra I'm trying to be all 2018.
Hi guys, it's your girl Jackie Aina. Welcome back to my channel.
And other YouTubers, I love you. I'm gonna let you finish, but Jackie Aina has the best intro of all time. Of all time. Hi guys, it's Gratsi. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be I tried following Blank's makeup tutorial. I've been seeing this trend all over this planet, so I thought I'd give it a go because I actually really like watching them. And today's video is following Jackie Aina's makeup tutorial. I'm sure you guys all love Jackie Aina as much as I do. I love her videos, I love her banter, I love her personality. She just gives me jokes every day. So I thought I'd try to recreate Auntie Jackie's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want me to try any other tutorials, then let me know. And then I'll definitely do it because I actually had so much fun. It was interesting to try someone else's makeup because I literally feel like I don't look like myself. Even though I love the makeup, I love how it turned out. Kind of cute. I just feel so different. I can't stop looking to the side because my highlights, sis. Because this is magic. This is magical, sis. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like. Actually, in fact, leave a like right now. Leave a like right now. I'll be waiting for you. You're holding everyone up, so just press the like right now. Just press it. Like it's free, okay? But anyway, yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you later, honey.
Hi guys, it's your girl Jackie Aina. Welcome back to my channel. Meanwhile, I'm over here looking at the roll dancing emoji. I'm serving y'all a little beady bum today. Everybody calm down. That's enough. That's enough. I told you guys I was gonna be coming for the holiday looks. I was gonna start doing more makeup tutorials, and I meant it. This is kind of like a very classic glam.
So in true Miss Jackie Aina fashion, we're gonna start with, okay, this is not a bonnet, but she usually wears a bonnet. So I'm gonna start with this scarf or whatever, the silk scarf, because number one, I'm lazy. Number two, we've got to copy exactly what she's doing, right? Even though, disclaimer, like I don't have some products that she uses, but mainly I'm gonna be going by the technique that she's using. So yeah, let's get it.
Porn Shine Control Primer.
Okay, so I don't have that, but what I do have is a similar product. It's a pore primer. It's the Benefit Professional, and it is oil controlling and it hides your pores, so we're gonna use that. Okay, I go hard for this primer, so I really highly recommend it if you're looking for a primer that diminishes pores. If you're looking for a primer that covers your pores, kind of fills them in, you look kind of airbrushed, as you can see.
You guys know the drill. After primer, I usually apply some powder, and I've become a new believer and a new fan. These are the Evolution powders from Danessa Myricks. So you open it up, blah blah blah, and you get some beautiful yellow buttery goodness.
Okay, mine's definitely not yellow. Mine's more porcelain. Well, this is the only powder I have, so we're gonna have to make it work and see if it works. Also, I have dry skin, so this is just gonna make it drier, but hopefully it just makes my makeup last and makes it matte.
Applying that into my problem areas. Pretty much the center of my face right here, right with the pores. The pores do the most baggage right in here, and I don't appreciate that, especially like right around the holidays. Like I kind of feel like I'm a better person, you know? Like I can serve my country for my pores to be doing the most.
Wow. Wow. Okay, so okay. Well, this is going under my foundation, so hopefully everything is gonna work out. Everything's gonna be okay. We're gonna get through this. We're gonna get through this. Ooh, let me put a bit more. She's got hella powder. I think she has oily skin, so basically the opposite of me. Yay. Yay. This is way harder than I thought it would be. Like, what? How do you guys follow makeup tutorials? I don't understand.
This is definitely not like a throw-on look. Like doing this in steps is going to really give you.
Wait, I feel like that's too dark. I'm gonna mix it as well with this brown because I feel like that one was that's a bit too dark.
Okay, so take your time. I'm also rounding the shape.
That one. This is quite, this color is quite similar. Don't even at me, don't even come for me, because this color is actually very similar. Pretty sure it's probably going to be half the price too. So major dupe alert. No, I'm gassed. This color is actually lit. Once again, we don't have that color. But what we are gonna use is from my Morphe 35 B palette, a nice purpley shade, which is quite similar too.
Then to soften up the crease area, I'm going to take Recharge. And just
these colors are not showing true to color. But anyway, I'm going to mix these two.
Recharge. And just start adding that in as a transition color. This is almost kind of giving me Sunset Eye vibes. That's not really the look I was going for, but whatever. Little baby strokes.
This is cute.
Little baby strokes, man.
Yes, Jackie, you did that. I'm really enjoying this look, actually.
Shania Lash from BADDIE Cosmetics. While my lash goes dry, I'm going to take my Casino bronzer from NARS, and you know.
Well, of course we don't have that. Drinking game, take a shot every time I say I don't have that. It's all about using products that you have to make things work, because it's not every day that you can go out and buy all of the makeup that you see in tutorials, you know. That's my excuse. So okay, my bronzer, I'm going to be using the Black Opal bronzer, my absolute favorite deluxe finishing powder, in the shade 05 Deep. Thank you, ma'am.
So I'll just link it down below. I really wanted the cheeks to be like warm and youthful and just peachy, so I'm gonna take Rose d'Oro from Milani, and you can really go, well, at least on my skin tone, but it barely shows up.
From my Morphe palette again, I'm gonna be using this pinkish peachy shade.
Shows up, so I'm just gonna like keep adding and adding and adding, because it's such.
Ooh, I've never tried a peachy blush before, but this is serving.
A mystery highlighter.
There's a LeBron James, girl. Guess what? I don't have that. So I'm just using my, this is Urban Decay's Baked Bronzer. It's really pretty, and it's a little bit more iridescent, I feel like.
And this look, I think, is screaming for some brow bone highlight. So I'm gonna take a little bit of tinctures of that highlight right in this area, like right at the peak. I rarely do that. I have to be in some kind of mood to do the brow bone situation.
Yes,
I still haven't had lashes.
Oh, damn. Where has this been hiding? Urban Decay? Whoa. Oh my, oh my. We might have just done something right there.
Lashes coming through, make way, make way.
Okay, wait, she's taking off her head.
Okay, so
let me follow through.
I wanted to take Endangered Red, which is a
quite similar, huh?
Deep burgundy plum. Really, really pretty. I like covering my Cupid's bow, especially when I'm gonna do a sexy color. I just go right over it. I just do a straight line instead of following my Cupid's bow. I just like the way that looks.
Okay.
So after applying Endangered Red as a liner and then feathering it out, and the magic is just beginning, so hold on to your draws. Then Tundra is, I think, gonna be paired really well with Endangered Red.
Similar color.
Kind of like the red undertone.
That's quite
Tundra
similar,
looks
right?
a little bit more rustic. I'm applying that in the middle of my lips, basically filling in the gap. Ooh.
Yes, girl, get it. Get it.
That's kind of cute, though. I had no idea how this was gonna turn out. I just went with it. I'm gonna throw in something real cute. I do have plans. So I'm gonna throw in something really cute, really comfortable, and finish this look and close it out for you guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me on today's video. And one
she said, let me throw in something real cute, real comfortable. And sis has a top that has mesh, lace, and silk. She said comfortable. She said cute and comfortable. That's the level of extra I'm trying to be all 2018. So I'm going to try and find something similar. I don't know where I'd find something like that, but we'll try and make it work. Okay, well, that was a fail. This is honestly the closest thing I could find. But we're gonna work with it. So as you can see, I look very different. This is not my usual makeup style. But I actually really like it. What do you guys think? Am I Auntie Jackie yet? Jackie.
covered or what?